many times have you gone out into your garden and seen the tops of your fruit trees or even your hedging plants chewed? I certainly have, and keeping those late night visitors out of the garden can be done with a few non-harmful tricks. If you have a garden fence or post, you can mount this guy. This is the prowling owl deterrent. This has a 1 metre wingspan which moves and flaps in the wind. If you don't have a fence, it can also be mounted or hung from a branch. Another option is to use the freestanding owl. The bobblehead owl is best positioned in the garden where it's exposed to the wind, and the head is activated by the slightest gusts and doesn't require any batteries, so it looks like it's rocking out to some good tunes as it scares the critters away. If you have an area in the garden that is receiving a lot of action, the motion sensor owl and solar owls can be positioned to face the affected areas. Both of these will emit a hooting sound, and the eyes will flash if they detect any movement to stare down those night prowling plant predators. Last season I had a lot of issues in my vegetable garden as I had a number of culprits that loved my veggies. I had the local black wallaby, rabbits and parrots breaking in. The laser solar owl is ideal for this part of my garden. It has a 120-degree field of view sensor angle and has a 3 metre working distance, so it's going to cover a lot of ground. And it doesn't require any batteries because it's solar powered. All the owl deterrents in this range are weather resistant and lightweight, and for the best results, keep repositioning them every 4 to 6 weeks in and around the garden, as some pests may start to realise that those owls have been sitting there happily in the same place for a very long time.